Guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title of this video, I am reviewing products from Rude Cosmetics. So they did send me a couple items to review for y'all. I did create all this full face, well, except like the face products like the foundation and concealer. So I just want to say thank you Rude Cosmetics for sending me these goodies. I highly recommend these, guys. If you want to see my first impressions on these, damn, I keep saying a lot. I've been gone a little bit too long, so I kind of gotta get my shit together. But yeah, guys, I really recommend for y'all to keep watching this video and see how these products work for me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for almost reaching 35,000 subscribers. Thank you to everybody that's supporting me and want to keep watching me. And yeah, guys, don't forget to also follow me on my social media accounts. I have everything down below. Again, check the description, guys. I will have oh my god, can I stop saying oh my god, you're gonna hate me. Check the description box for all the links of the palettes that I mentioned in this video. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more. I know you guys been kind of asking me for makeup tutorials because like people don't really like watching my makeup tutorials because they think I'm boring, which I understand because sometimes I can be boring. But for you guys that want to watch these videos, here you go. So let's get started with the video. When you order stuff from Rude Cosmetics, it comes in this little box right here, and it has like little kissy faces, has like little lips around it, and then on the lips it says Rude Cosmetics. It's makeup with an attitude and then Rude. So they let me pick out 4 things. I chose what is this? A blush palette. So they have the blushes here. I chose a highlighting palette. Look how cute the packaging is. Hold on. Look how cute the packaging is. All their packaging is super cute. I'm gonna get more. Hold on. I'm gonna get more in depth with the palettes once I'm using them, so I'm just showing them right now. Also, I picked out this lip. These are like mini lipsticks. They look like that. That's the packaging. They have another one that's like for more brownish, red, dark purples, and these ones are the ones that are more nude, as you can see, nude and pinks. And they're so cute, guys. Oh my god, and I love the way these smells. I already used these because I needed a lipstick to wear, so I pulled these out, and they smell like fucking cupcakes, guys. If you have ever tried the Kylie Cosmetics, so since this is a review video, I didn't want to keep explaining what products I was using that weren't from Rude Cosmetics. So I just did my foundation, concealer, and cream contouring on camera, but I just didn't talk through it because I didn't want this video to be super long. So yeah, guys, everything will be in the description box if you want to know what I used on my face. Alright guys, so now that I'm done basically with my base makeup, I'm gonna powder. So they sent me this blush palette. It also comes with a contour shade. Oh, is something breaking here? No. Oh, fuck. Oh, and it also comes with a big mirror, but something broke in here. So you have your blushes right here, bronzer right here, and this is another like peachy blush. The bronzer though, if you're like cool tone bronzers, this is gonna be too light for me. maybe it'll work for you, but it looks
Also guys, I want to tell y'all that my microphone from my phone is messed up, so if you hear me talking and it goes up and then lower, it's because I don't have my microphone that I usually like to use to record videos. So I'm using the one on my phone, and the one on my phone doesn't really work, so I'm sorry for that. But in the next video I will have my microphone.
Okay, now I'm gonna blush on my face using the Root Cosmetics blush palette, and this is the Undaunted. This is Undaunted, but I think they meant Undaunted. So I'm gonna use, let's see, these two shades up here. So I'm gonna mix them. So I already applied the blush, and the blush, I really like it. It's like super pigmented, as you can see, but I like that look because blush is the first thing that like comes off. So now I'm gonna highlight my face, and I'm gonna be using this palette. I picked the Rude Unicorn Fantasies highlight palette. So dude, I really like that they have mirrors with all their freaking palettes. Like, are you freaking kidding me? So these are the shades. This is like a white shade. This is more like a gold champagne, a pink rosy one. This is more of a peachy gold shade, and then obviously this is really gold. This look, that reminds me of the trophy wife from Fenty Beauty. I'm gonna be mixing this one with a little bit of the peachy one. I'm gonna spray a little bit of the Mario Badescu spray just to give it that pigmentation that I want. And I always do this with my highlighter, so it's not really doing a difference. So like I said, I'm gonna be taking, this is called Super Fantastic. This packaging, it has names, it has a mirror, and bro, this is only like 11 bucks. All these palettes are less than 30 bucks, I swear to God. Let's see. Okay, hold on. Oh, what else? Like, I need a mirror, but I got one here. Okay. Dude, what the fuck? These are bomb. What the? Oh shit, this different. The only thing is that they're a little bit powdery. Let's see. Oh my god, dude, this is fucking pigmented as shit. Dude, what the fuck? I really like this palette. I love it. I'm gonna be reviewing what I've been waiting for. Let's see. So, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce this palette. I think this is in French or whatever. But that's how it looks. And then we open it. It has a mirror and then the names. So, I don't know what kind of look I'm going for today, to be honest. Today's my daughter's birthday party, so I didn't even know what I'm gonna wear. I think I'm just gonna do my one eye off camera, and then I'm gonna be back and then show you on the other one because I have no idea what I'm gonna do. Okay, as you can see, I did something totally different of what I said I was gonna do. But guys, I was trying to do like this. Oh shit, you can't even see. Like this color right here with a little bit of this one, and it was just super fucking splotchy and patchy. Some of these shades, I will say that they get patchy, so yeah. Let's see if they're all like that. But since I already kind of know what I'm doing, I'm gonna just show you what colors I use. And obviously this is like a maroon color, I don't know what the fuck I'm going with this, but whatever. So I used first this maroon burgundy color, and this is called, damn, I think these are all in French. I'm not gonna be able to pronounce that, but I'm gonna just show you. It's this one right here, and then I applied this darker shade, and this was called Fantastic. The other one, I don't know, it's right next to Fantastic. So yeah, I'm just keep building this up, guys. As you can see, fucking pigmented. All of their palettes are super pigmented. So the difference that I did, oh my god, this shit looks so wow, like it's gonna look good in the end, guys. So don't judge me. So this eye I didn't set, and this eye I did set with powder. So let's see the difference of pigmentation. Come on, everyone's waiting. Okay, yeah, I can already kind of see the difference. Okay, I'm gonna cut my crease with the Too Faced concealer. Now that I cut the crease, I know it looks crazy, guys. I know, but just wait. So I don't know what shade I want to add onto it. I'm gonna go in with Bon Bon, which is this one right here, and then blend it in with a little bit of that maroon color we used. So this is the look that I came up with. It's really pretty, huh? Now I'm just gonna go in with the this is the Urban Decay Glitter Liner, and this is the Midnight Cowboy in gold. I'm gonna put some eyeliner, and I'm gonna be using these lashes right here. These are from Doris Lashes. I will link her her Instagram down below. These are kind of natural. So I already got my lashes on, and I did my liner. These are the Doris Lashes in the style Nikki. I like them because they're not like super natural, but they're not super dramatic. They're like in between, and then they have those like fluffy thingies, like it's fluffy as shit. They're fluffy. Minted. So I'm gonna use a flat brush, and I'm just gonna go with that color that I can't pronounce on my lower lash. Mascara, and this is the Benefit Bad Gal Bane mascara. I'm gonna apply this. Bon Bon, and a little bit of Ange in my inner corner. I'm gonna apply a little bit of more blush because, like I told ya, blush is like the first thing that comes off. So as you can see, like you can't even tell I have blush. So I'm just gonna go in with this one right here, just a little bit though. Don't get it twisted. So like that. Now moving on to the lips. So I also picked out this 6 nude color mini lipsticks. This is the nude one, obviously it says nude, and they also have like a red one that like turns darker. So I picked up the ones that were more nudish to pink. Guys, these lipsticks are bomb, like bomb. I already used it, and I'm gonna go in with my favorite ones, and I mixed these. And when I tell you, oh shit, hold on, my nose is kind of itchy, hold on. When I tell you these smell like vanilla cupcakes, they smell like vanilla cupcakes, like super good. I can smell it. Oh my god, it smells super good. So I like to mix Naughty by Nature with Undressed. Me, you know I'm not a fan of lipsticks. I hardly ever wear lipsticks. Like, you would never catch me wearing a lipstick on my channel. If you've been watching me for a long time, you know that every time I finish a makeup tutorial, I always wear like a lip gloss or just nothing at all, because I don't know, I feel like, I don't know, lipsticks don't really look good on me. But these though, like, bro, I think this was like 10 bucks, or I don't know. I'll have the prices of everything every time I talk about them, just so you can see the prices. This brand is so inexpensive and their products are a 10 out of 10. I can honestly say that I like these products a lot, and I will be buying with my own money. This is not a sponsored video, guys. They just send me free items to try out. This is my honest opinion. So yeah, I really like this, and I really love the lipsticks. Like, guys, if you know me, you know I don't like lipsticks, but these, they're freaking cute. You could put these in your bag and go, you know, you're not taking the big ass tube of lipstick. That's what I like. And they dry super matte, but they're also comfortable. You don't feel like you even wear them on you. The eyeshadow palette, I will say that it was a little, like, some of the shades are a little patchy and hard to blend. Oh shit, I thought oh yeah, I did dig my nail in the oil. So like this one, this is, yeah, that's in French, I cannot, or whatever these names are in. But this teal blue color, it swatches really pretty, but maybe the way I was using it, and maybe I used it wrong. And also these shades are super buttery. Like, do you see that? Super buttery, and they go on the same way on your lids. So you see that? Like, guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Comment down below what videos you want to see, and yeah, guys, bye.